Have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night by an eerie noise or startled out of bed by a loud sound? It might just be time for the Night Fright prank. This prank is frighteningly easy to pull off with killer results. All you need is a computer, a sound file, and an audio system. And here's how to do it. The first step is to find an audio file that you want to use for this Night Fright prank. If you don't have access to a sound effects library, you can just search for free sound effects and you'll find a bunch of websites that should be able to hook you up. There are a couple of different ways you can go about pulling off this prank. It just depends on the intended result. You can use the sound effect of a creepy growling animal, or a scary grunting beast, or the sound of a loud crash, or something a bit more low-key like someone knocking on the door. Or if you want your victim to jump out of bed, you can use an air siren sound effect. After you've picked your sound effect, it's time to put it into action. I'm using a PC with Windows 7 to show you how to do this, but you can also use XP, and it can also be done on a Mac, although it's a little more difficult. The first thing you want to do is go to Accessories and System Tools, and then find the Task Scheduler. Once there, we're going to create a task, and give it a name. Any name will work. Then you want to add a new trigger. Set up when you want it to occur, probably just one time on a specific date, but definitely somewhere in the middle of the night. Then you have to tell it what action you want to do. In our case, we want it to start a program, which will be whatever music player you have on your system, and you're going to select the audio file that you chose for the Night Fright prank. Then, to make sure it runs no matter what, your condition will be to wake the computer to run the task. Again, these specific steps will vary depending on your operating system. I'll supply detailed instructions on kipkay.com of how you can pull this off using XP and a Mac. The Night Fright prank is now almost ready. The last step? Make sure your computer speakers are on and cranked. Or if your computer's hooked up to an audio system, turn on the stereo and turn the volume up. Your Night Fright prank is now loaded and ready to scare the crap out of your roommate, friend, or spouse. Once the predetermined time arrives, your computer will boot, your audio player will run, and your creepy or startling audio file will play. Tell us in the comments what sound effect you'd pick and who your victim would be. I take no responsibility if you decide to use this Night Fright prank and your victim hunts you down and sucker punches you. For more cool pranks, click the fake dog poop. And to check out my secret classic videos, go to kipkay.com/classics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.